Hello, my little learners. Today we are going to discuss about phonics of what g g g sound. Okay, let's try to say g g gu go go G O go gap gap G A P gap cap gap, it's a gender gap. Gap, say it with me, like a gas. G g g gas. G g gas. Yes, it's a gas station. G g gas station. Yes, good one. It's a gig. Gig. G g gig. Gig. G-I-G. Gig. Gig. G-U-N. G-U-N. Gun. Gut health. Gut. G-U-T. Gut. I trust my beautiful bunnies understand the phonics. Go, keep practicing. See you soon.